Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dashboard Roadmap, a series where we explore some of the City Health Dashboard's best features. I'm Sammy, and today we're going to explore the City Overview. This page lets you see a snapshot of your city's performance across each metric to give you an overall sense of where your city is thriving and any opportunity areas as compared to the average of all dashboard cities. Let's head to Waterloo, Iowa. To access the City Overview page, just type your city into the search bar and click View Overview from the bottom of the metric selector box. This page is also accessible from every city's navigation bar once you've selected your metric. The metrics are listed alphabetically within 5 metric domains: health outcomes, social and economic factors, health behavior, physical environment, and clinical care. At a glance, you're able to see how your city is performing compared to the dashboard city averages. The metrics that have the green checkmark over the scale bar indicate that your city is performing better than the dashboard city average. Each metric can also expand to show more information. Just select the drop-down icon or click anywhere along the scale bar. Here you can see a description of the measure, the data source it comes from, as well as the years of collection. You can also see a thumbnail image of your city's metric map to the right. If you're interested in exploring this in more detail, you can select See Metric Detail or click on the map. You can collapse the information by clicking on the scale bar again. And that's it for this episode of the Dashboard Roadmap on how to view your City Overview page. Thanks for tuning in. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions, comments, and ideas for future episodes by emailing info@cityhealthdashboard.com. See you on the site!